In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a course in Circle.so. This powerful platform makes it easy for you to create and manage your online courses, and I'll guide you through the entire process step by step, ensuring you gain a clear understanding of each action we take. Let's start by logging into your Circle.so admin account. This is your gateway to all the tools you need to build and manage your course. Once you're in, let's navigate to the Spaces section, which you'll find conveniently located in the left sidebar. Clicking on this will open up a new set of options. Here, you'll select Create Space. It's a straightforward step, but foundational for what we're building. Now that we have a space created, it's time to set things in motion by entering the course name. Importantly, you'll then select the space type as course. This categorization is crucial because it informs Circle, so how this space will function, unlocking features specific to course delivery. Once you've entered the name and selected the space type, simply click on Create, and voila, you have the initial framework for your course. Next, let's dive into the heart of your course creation. Click on your newly created course space and select the option to Create Post Lesson. This is where your content will start to take shape. Enter a captivating lesson title that clearly communicates the material you're covering. Underneath, you can add the lesson content. Whether it's text, PDFs, or videos, Circle.so provides a versatile platform to accommodate various content types, allowing you to craft an engaging and informative learning experience. For those with additional resources, Circle.so offers an optional feature to attach files or media. Simply click Upload to include any supplementary materials that will enhance your lesson, such as worksheets or presentation slides. As your course starts to come together, it's important to think about who can access it. Scroll down to Settings and navigate to Access. Here, you have the power to select whether your course will be available to members only or under a paid plan. This decision is key in structuring your community's access and potentially monetizing your knowledge. Don't forget to hit Save Changes to ensure all your settings apply. Now repeat these content creation and access steps until all course lessons are established. With multiple lessons set up, organizing them logically is the next step. Click on Organize Lessons, which allows you to sort or order them through a simple drag and drop interface. Rearrange your lessons as needed and save to lock in the sequence. Finally, when you're satisfied with the arrangement and content, it's time to make the course live. Click on Publish, and just like that, your course is